Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 4 to a Vivo phone. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery and is turned on. Next, enable Bluetooth on your Vivo phone. Then, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Samsung Galaxy Wearable application. This app is essential for managing your watch and accessing all its features. Once installed, you are ready for the next step. Now that you have the app, open it on your Vivo phone and tap Start. The application will automatically begin searching for your Galaxy Watch 4. Once your watch appears in the list, select it. A 6-digit code will then be shown on both your watch and phone. Double-check that these numbers match exactly, and then tap Confirm on your phone to initiate the secure pairing process. This step ensures a safe and correct connection. After confirming the passkey, you will be prompted to grant several permissions. These allow your watch to integrate seamlessly with your phone, accessing features like notifications and calls. Next, you will need to sign into your Samsung account. If you do not have one, you can easily create it. Then, sign into your Google account to unlock the full potential of your watch, including app downloads and services. Complete any final prompts to finish the setup. If you encounter any issues during the connection, first ensure Bluetooth is active on both devices and try restarting your watch and Vivo phone. For some Vivo models, installing the specific Galaxy Watch 4 plugin and Samsung Health applications can resolve pairing difficulties. Always check for the latest software updates for both your watch and the Galaxy Wearable app. Finally, confirm your Vivo phone meets the general Android compatibility requirements for the Galaxy Watch 4 for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.